Hello friends, today we are teaching and learning about the MSc First Design and Analysis of Algorithm subject. Now see, firstly we will see from the first chapter Basics of Algorithm, there is a sorting algorithm point. 6 number point sub point is there, sorting algorithms. In that we are seeing insertion sort, heap sort and bubble sort. Before directly studying about the sorting technique, we firstly see what is sorting algorithms. See, sorting algorithms are the ways to organize an array of items from smallest to largest. These algorithms can be used to organize messy data and make it easier to use. Furthermore, having an understanding of these algorithms and how they work is fundamental for a strong understanding of computer science, which is becoming more and more critical in the world of pre-made packages. This blog focuses on speed, uses, advantages and disadvantages of specific sorting algorithms. Now firstly, we will see what is insertion sort and how it works. Insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works the way we sort playing cards in our hands. See algorithm, there is an array n size. Insertion sort function is there which passes two parameter, the arrays and n, that is the number of elements. See, loop from I equal to 1 to n minus 1. Pick element array of I and insert it into sorted sequence array 0 to I minus 1. See, we can see that algorithm by the example. See here, insertion sort execution example. The given array you have, that is 4, 3, 2, 10, 12, 1, 5, 6. That is an example, and after sorting, what will be the output? That will be see one by one step. See, firstly 4 and 3, these first two elements are compared, and that compared elements can be check whether smallest element is before and bigger element is after. Here 3 is the smallest, but that is after 4. Therefore 3 must be put before the 4 in the next step. That is 3, 4, 2, 10, 12, 1, 5, 6. That will be sequence in the third step. Then in the fourth step, 4 and 2 compare, means after 3, 4, next a consecutive element will be compared, that is 4 and 2. Again 2 is a smallest element than the 4, then again that will be put before the 4. Again 3 and 2 is the smallest, therefore it will be directly insert before the 2. Then in the fourth step you can see the sequence is 2, 3, 4, 10, 12, 1, 5, 6. Then in the next fifth step, again 10 and 12 are compared. These are the same because 10 is smaller than the 12 and other elements are also in the same sequences. In the next step, that is the sixth step, you can see 12 and 1 is compared, but 1 is smallest and that will be directly put in front of the 2. Therefore the sequence becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 12, 5, 6. Okay, then in the next step again 12 and 5 is compared. 5 is the smaller than the 12, again it is smaller than the 10, again it is smaller than the not smaller than the 4. It will be put directly inserted after the 4 and before the 10. Therefore the sequence become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12, 6. In the last step you can see 12 and 6 will be compared. 6 is smaller than 12, 10. Therefore, it directly inserted before the 10. And the sequence will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12. Means that will be the sorted array in the insertion sort and how it will be works. Okay, that will be the insertion sort. Now the second algorithm, that is heap sort, will be studied now. Heap sort is a popular and efficient sorting algorithm in computer programming. Learning how to write the heap sort algorithm requires knowledge of two types of data structures, that is the arrays and trees. See, the initial set of numbers that we want to sort is sorted in an array. Example, see, 10, 3, 76, 34, 23, 32, and after sorting we will get the sorted array. You know, smallest element to largest element, therefore it will become 3, 10, 23, 32, 34, 76. Now heap sort works by visualizing the elements of the array as a special kind of complete binary tree called a heap. Now see, a heap is a tree data structure that satisfies the following properties. First one is the shape property and second one is the heap property. Heap is always a complete binary tree, which means that all the levels of a tree are fully filled. There should not be a node which has only one child. Every node except leaves should have two children. Then only a heap is called as a complete binary tree. Second one is the heap property. All nodes are earlier greater than or equal to or less than or equal to each of its children. This means if the parent node is greater than the child node, it is called as max heap. Whereas if the parent node is lesser than the child node, then it is called as a or known as a mean heap. Working of heap sort. See, basically there are two phases involved in sorting of elements. Using heap sort algorithm, they are as follows. First, start with the construction of a heap by adjusting the array elements. Once the heap is created, repeatedly eliminate the root element of the heap by shifting it to the end of the array and then store the heap structure with the remaining elements. Consider the example for heap sort is given 11, 2, 9, 13, 57, 25, 17, 1, 90 and 3. First step is now to create the heap from the array elements. For this, we are considering a binary tree that can be built from the array elements. The 0th element would be the root element and the left and right child of any element would be evaluated at I, 2 into I plus 1 and 2 into I plus 2th index respectively. See, from the given sequence of elements array, we can write or we can create heap in the figure like 11, 2, 9, 13, 57, 25, 17, 1, 90 and 3, as you can see in the figure. Now see, from the above diagram depicts the binary tree version of the array. We build the heap from the above binary tree and is shown below. Now in the figure you can see the another heap, that is 90, 57, 25, 13, 11, 9, 17, 1, 2, 3. Now the root 90 is moved to the last location by exchanging it with 3. Means that 90 and 3 will be exchanged. Finally, 90 is eliminated from the heap by reducing the maximum index value of the array by 1. The balance elements are rearranged into the heap. The heap and array look like as shown in the below diagram. See, in the diagram you can see the eliminating root element 90. Then you get sequence 15, 13, 25, 3, 11, 9, 17, 1, 2. Again after eliminating 57, you can get the new diagram sequence 17, 13, 9, 3, 11, 1 2. Again after eliminating 17 you get 13 11 9 3 2 1. Then the eliminating sequences you can see in the figure. By eliminating 13 we get this sequence. By eliminating 11 we get this sequence. By eliminating 9 we get 3 1 2. By eliminating 3 we get 2 1. By eliminating 2 we get 1. And the sequence will become 1 2 3 9 11 13. Means how many ways we can go. That is a 1 2 3 9 11 13 17 25 57 and 90. That is the heap sort which you have to get.